Our last two videos was about coherence. Coherence is not over yet. In last two videos, we have studied about linking of ideas within a sentence, linking of one sentence with another sentence. Now we are going to link one paragraph with another paragraph. So in our last paragraph, we have studied about transportation, and now we are going to start with our another paragraph. So let's start. This is our second paragraph of the essay. Here we start. Without doubt, transportation is the major source of greenhouse gases. If you remember, transportation was a topic or main cause discussed in the previous paragraph. So we are trying to create a link here. Other sources of greenhouse gases cannot be ignored. So what is another source? Excessive use of fertilizers is another cause of greenhouse gases. According to the article published by University of Cambridge, it is mentioned that researchers have calculated the carbon footprint for the life cycles of fertilizers, which are responsible for approximately 5% of greenhouse gases emission. This situation is an alarm for the environmentalists. Hence, both transportation and fertilizers are responsible for global warming. We can see that transportation here, and fertilizers here are helping to create coherence between two paragraphs. The paragraph we have studied earlier and paragraph we are studying right now. So these things help to maintain coherence within your essay. Stay tuned for further videos.